Well, it's another travel day. It's another dreary travel day. Where are we off to next today?
Indiana.
Oh, taking our new alliance to our first ever alliance rally. Should be a lot of fun. Gonna meet up with some friends and hopefully make some more. All right, we'll see you there. Bill and Natasha.
And are you recording me?
Yes, sir.
You know where you're supposed to be going?
Ridge Road.
Ring Road? Ring Road.
Ring Road. There you go. Get us somewhere with an R.
What do you think you're doing? Are you videotaping?
Yes,
Are you allowed to do that in here?
I think so.
Did you get my permission? Did you get my permission?
Bernie said, as you can see, we found some of our old friends right away. This made the social aspect really easy for us, because we already knew some folks, and so did the kids.
We made it to Goshen, Indiana. Now, why in the devil did we travel to Goshen, Indiana?
We're here for the Alliance Rally.
Woo!
Day one, we're heading up to breakfast. Kind of neat looking at the whole schedule. They got a whole bunch of meals provided. Very nice. Let's see what they're offering. As a matter of fact, dinner and breakfast were provided every single day, though one night was a potluck. The rest were actually provided by Alliance. That was pretty cool. It was nice to put faces to the names of these Alliance celebrities. Before the rally, Alliance said we could submit 3 things that needed fixing and their team would get it done. We were amazed to find out that they actually shut down production for a few days and had their whole team out there doing service on the rally attendees. They not only fixed our 3 issues, they asked what else could be done and did a few small things off my honey-do list. Thanks, Alliance team. While you were there, you could also get your RV weighed. And we thought this was pretty cool also. There was a silent auction, and this was actually benefiting one of the allies' granddaughters, I believe, who was sick. A lot of people came together and raised a lot of money. So what else goes on at the rally? Well, there's these owner empowerment workshops where you can learn from the pros more about your RV and how to take care of it. There was an area to keep folks busy with some crafts. The kids enjoyed doing that. And so did this big kid here. There was also some small group workshops, some round tables, if you will. You may recognize some of your favorite social media folks here. That's what this one was all about. And of course, a lot of the familiar favorites that kept folks busy. They did have bingo several days and this cornhole tournament. We won! It's amazing. Here at the rally, they've had so many cool things. They've had the silent auction. They have vendors here. We entered a drawing with one of the vendors, and we won!
Tell us what he's won, Johnny!
We won a fire suppression system from Proteng. You know what the cool thing is? The owner of Proteng is Aaron Jones. You may know him from Jones Into Travel. We finally got a chance to meet him, and we won his product.
So let's hear all about this amazing product and how easy it is to install.
Hey there, I'm Aaron with Proteng, and the lucky winners at this weekend's rally. Where are we at? We're at the Alliance 2022 rally in Goshen, Indiana, and Nursing Our Travel Bug won free fire suppression. So we're going to put this in their battery compartment. So Proteng is a device. It's fully self-contained. It's activated by heat. So when it reaches a certain temperature, wherever that plastic tube is the weakest is where it's going to expel. It's chemical. It's 100% non-toxic. It's non-corrosive. It does not leave a residue. So you can simply clean up, repair whatever damage the fire may have caused, and replace the fire suppression tube, and off you go. So it's a really versatile solution for not only for RVs, but we're also in farm equipment and police cars and all different kinds of industries. So it's really cool. So if you're interested, give us a shout. Check out our website, jonesintotravel.com or proteng.com, and get more information there, and let us know if we can help you out. And as simple as that. So now you've got fire suppression protection over your battery and your major DC bus for your coach.
It is day 3 of the Alliance Rally. We've been here since Sunday. It's now Friday, but today is a very special day.
It's tour day! We have some special tours to do. You know, Elkhart, Indiana, Goshen, Indiana is home of all things RV manufacturing, or like 90% of them. So we are going to take some really cool tours of facilities that make RV products. What is really cool about being here at the rally is that they actually have all of their models here on display. So you can just at your leisure do your own little walkthroughs and check out not only the current floor plans, but some that they are getting ready to release to the public. Alliance is making a travel trailer. Ooh, you're first to get the scoop. What? It's so new they don't even have it done yet.
Now, one thing we learned that we probably wouldn't repeat at a next rally is not to be back here on Ring Road. This is towards the back of the park, and yeah, we had a train that would literally shake the RV. It was so close to us.
It's the train that lulled us to sleep just beyond the creek. Well, it is Saturday. It is the end of the rally. Time to pack it up and head out.
So would we return? Would we go to another Ally rally? You bet. I think it was a great time.
Most definitely. It was a great experience for the whole family. I'd have to say the most difficult part about the rally, or the toughest part about the rally, was saying goodbye to all of our friends. Well, thank you all so much for watching.
Please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell.
I'm Natasha.
And I'm Bill.
And we're nursing our travel bug, encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy. And that's our Alliance Valor.